I don't know if you know the Grimace Shake at the McDonald's. So now and then you can get it there. It's seasonal. We love this shake at home, but of course it does not have any real fruit. I'm a real fruit foodie, so I decided to prepare a nice, colorful purple smoothie that I call my Grimace will be jealous shake because I'm pretty sure that Grimace would want this one too. This smoothie has a burst of flavor and it contains a lot of fruit and no added sugar. I filled 2 cups with banana and frozen blueberries. I added some frozen avocado to 1 cup and some yogurt to the other. I added some coconut water to the first cup. You could use juice instead. And then I added way too much milk to my second cup, so be sure to add just a little to the yogurt. So please make sure to take your frozen products in consideration. You need some frozen ingredients to have a thick consistency. So be careful not to have a very runny smoothie because you have to add 2 layers on top of each other. Smooth the content in a smoothie maker and start by adding some blueberry jam in your glass to have a contrast in flavors. Start with your thickest smoothie and add the second one on top. I added some whipped cream on top and added some freeze-dried pineapple dust to have some more contrast, but that's all optional. I hope you like this video and this recipe and please enjoy. Thanks for watching Vera's Lifestyle Wereld. Please let me know what you would like to see next.